Hello, welcome back. I'm Sherry, I'm the Moonlight Crafter. In this video, I'm going to showcase the brand new Stampin' Up! In colors that were just released. In particular, we're going to use Bumble Bee. Bumble Bee is a beautiful muted yellow color, and I'm going to make a very simple card to show you how quickly and easily you can make a gorgeous card. So I am using Forever Gold Specialty Designer Series paper. And it's got a whole bunch of different designs, leaves, a lot of backings that you can put behind something, which is what we're going to use today. And in particular, I'm going to pick out this circle pattern. This guy right here. And they're already perforated for you, so all you have to do is pull them right out. I love when Stampin' Up! Has new in colors. One, it's always exciting. We get 5 new colors. It's a refresh, it's trendy, and we don't lose any of our normal colors. So we get to keep everything except the 5 in colors that we swapped them for. So 5 in, 5 out, and Bumble Bee is in. So here's this gorgeous gold foil piece. It's very delicate looking. And I'm just going to glue this down on a Bumble Bee card base. And I'm going to use our gold embossing powder and our new stamp set called Celebrate Sunflowers. It's got this really large sunflower, a smaller sunflower, some leaves, and some sentiments. And this particular sentiment says, "Know that you are loved." I think that's really important right now, that we are telling people and reminding people that they are loved. So that's what we're going to use today. And it's simple and easy. Just going to use my liquid glue. And I'm just going to put glue on the circle area. I don't feel like I need to put it all around on the foliage. And I'm just going to center it on my card. Where you want it. And already it is a gorgeous card. This Forever Gold Specialty Designer Series paper, it just makes you look like a pro. It does. Then, also brand new, I'm going to use the larger circle out of the Tasteful Labels dies set. And it's neat because it's got a double stitch. It's got 2 patterns that go around it. And that's what I'm going to use for my sentiment here in the middle. I'm going to use Versamark ink, which is a clear, sticky ink, to allow my embossing powder to stick to it. Knock off the excess. There you go. And we're just going to take the heat gun to this and melt it, just long enough to melt it. And we're going to run this through our Big Shot machine. Speaking of Big Shot machine, Did you hear that we have released a brand new, actually 2 brand new machines, die cutting and embossing machines. And as soon as I get my hands on them, I will make a video and show them to you. I don't have them yet. There we are. Know that you are loved. It has a double stitching around it, and it's kind of shaped, scalloped, like almost like a flower center. So you could use this for your sunflower centers on this Celebrate Sunflower stamp set, or any other sunflowers that you're making. And then just to give it something, I'm going to go ahead and use my Stampin' Dimensionals to pop this up. And just like that, simple, easy, and showcasing our brand new in color Bumble Bee. Any of you know what I just did there? You're laughing. And I'm just gonna center it. There we go. Ta-da! Such a simple card, but it is gorgeous, and it is going to brighten someone's day. I hope you enjoyed that quick and easy tutorial showcasing our Stampin' Up! Brand new in colors, and we showcased Bumble Bee. I have 4 more videos out there using the other in colors, and please subscribe to my channel so that it pops up the next time I have a video for you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night.